Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey through the heart of American agriculture. A journey filled with farms, innovation, and of course, a staggering number of eggs. Have you ever pondered how the United States accomplishes the remarkable feat of producing a mind-boggling 97.3 billion eggs annually? Well, you're in for a treat because that's exactly what we'll be exploring in this video. Over the past few years, the United States and China have consistently ranked highest in international meat and egg production. In this video, we explore a Pennsylvania farm incubator and its fascinating process. In this facility, thousands of eggs are brought in for an approximate 19-day incubation period. This farm has outstanding 71,000 egg holding capacity per incubator for each cycle of incubation. It's amazing that there are over 229,000 chicken farms in the US, mostly in areas like Iowa, Indiana, Pennsylvania, and Ohio. The eggs are carefully examined after their initial 10 days in the incubator. Eggs that are unlikely to hatch are found and removed using a specialized scanner. This process makes sure the temperature is ideal and promotes steady cell growth. The programmable technology in the incubator turns the eggs automatically. The eggs are then transferred to a different machine, where an organic vaccination is then injected into each egg. It is critical to make clear that this vaccination does not function as an antibiotic, but rather is a key component of the future chick's protection. In modern egg production facilities, an automated conveyor system plays a pivotal role in the efficient handling of freshly laid eggs. As soon as the eggs are deposited by the hens, this intricate conveyor system swings into action, gently transporting the fragile cargo to trays or other suitable containers. Furthermore, automation eliminates the need for excessive human intervention, which reduces contaminant and damage risks. After thorough examinations and vaccinations, the eggs are carefully returned to the incubator, initiating the next phase of the poultry production process. Inside this controlled environment, the eggs are incubated at precise temperatures and humidity levels to encourage optimal embryo development. Just days after hatching, a miracle of life unfolds, resulting in beautiful, fluffy chicks. The transition from egg to chick is a remarkable and delicate process. To ensure the newborn chicks receive the best possible start, feed and water have already been thoughtfully placed in their trays a few days before their expected hatch date. This proactive measure ensures that as soon as the chicks emerge from their shells, they have immediate access to nourishment. The chicks instinctively peck at the feed and take their first sips of water, kickstarting their journey towards growth and health. This carefully orchestrated system not only maximizes the survival and well-being of these new arrivals, but also reflects the dedication to humane and efficient poultry farming practices. Chicks are covered in wood mulch by workers. This mulch is a great option for poultry production since it absorbs moisture from chicken feces and reduces odors. Our main characters, the chicks, now have lots of room to run around and play. Healthy beans, maize, industrial bran, and other fibers are the main components used in their feed. An astonishing 48 million tons of soybeans, or 40% of the nation's soybean production, are used by poultry farms in the US each year. The average American will consume 291 eggs annually in 2023, up from the 286 eggs they consumed on average in 2022. Millions of people in the US rely on eggs as a staple food, thus egg manufacturing is a complex operation that guarantees a steady supply. In modern egg production facilities, an automated conveyor system plays a pivotal role in the efficient handling of freshly laid eggs. As soon as the eggs are deposited by the hens, this intricate conveyor system swings into action, gently transporting the fragile cargo to trays or other suitable containers. In elevated areas, it is simpler to collect dung and keep the floor of the chicken coop dry. A machine is employed to place the chickens into plastic trays, which are subsequently transported to the chicken processing plant. Chickens are not only raised to lay eggs, but also to serve the meat demand of large farms. When these chickens reach 6 pounds, the harvest will begin. Incredibly, 518 million chickens are born in the US each year. Thousands of tiny chicks leave the incubator after a day and start a new trip. Sadly, less robust or disabled chicks are discarded and transported to a different production stage. Even though it might seem cruel, this is the way things are on large-scale poultry farms. After that, chicken legs and necks are swiftly removed, while the remaining chicken is immersed in a cleansing and disinfecting tank. Subsequently, chicken wings, thighs, and breasts are meticulously segregated and prepared for distribution to grocery stores. In extensive chicken farms, the entire life cycle of a chicken typically spans just 3 to 4 months before they are transported to meat processing facilities. This accelerated process ensures efficient production and delivery of chicken products to meet consumer demand while adhering to industry standards. Would you mind telling me what you think about this video showing how chickens are raised and harvested? We'd love to hear what you think in the comments section.